the magic bloom on Kitty Boom.
Look at the tree, standing so tall, waiting for decorations in the hall. It's green and bushy, but it needs some light. Let's make it sparkle, oh so bright. Decorating the Christmas tree, one for you and one for me. Hang the baubles shiny around, the happiest job that we've ever found. Christmas tree, one for you and one for me. Hang the baubles shiny around, the happiest job that we've ever found. Higher, higher. First come the lights, wrap them around. Twinkling stars from the top to the ground. Next is the tinsel, silver and gold, the prettiest story ever told. Decorating the Christmas tree, one for you and one for me. Hang the baubles shiny and round, the happiest job that we've ever found. We saved the best thing for the very last part, a shiny gold star. Bless my heart. Mimi needs help to reach up high, to put the star up in the sky. Ready? Up you go, Mimi. Wow, it fits! Decorating the Christmas tree, it's as beautiful as can be. Plug in the lights and watch it glow. Merry Christmas to everyone we know. Sparkly, Merry Christmas. Jingle bells fade out. Jingle bells fade out. Get the big bowl, put it on the floor. Flour and sugar, pour, pour, pour. Butter is squishy, eggs go crack. Mimi's the chef, that's a fact. Baking cookies, messy and sweet. A yummy, yummy Christmas treat. Stir it up, mix it around. The bestest cookies in the town. Oops! Floor cloud? Roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Push it flat, thin, thin, thin. Where are the cutters, star and tree? Gingerbread man, 1, 2, 3. Baking cookies, messy and sweet. A yummy, yummy Christmas treat. Stir it up, mix it around. The bestest cookies in the town. Into the oven, hot, hot, hot. Now we have to wait a lot. Tick tock, tick tock. Smell that smell. Are they ready? It's hard to tell. Just one more minute, Mimi. Off, don't fall down. Decorate with icing, red and green. Sprinkles everywhere if you know what I mean. Put them on a plate for Santa tonight. With a glass of milk, everything is right. Yum! Don't eat them all, Mimi. Jiggle! The snow is falling soft and deep, while the world was fast asleep. Put on boots and a woolly hat. Mimi is ready just like that. Do you want to build a snowman? Roll the snow into a ball. Make it big and make it round, the biggest snowman of them all. Keep rolling, push. One big ball for the bottom part, a middle ball, that's where we start. A smaller head goes on the top. Stack them up and do not stop. Do you want to build a snowman? Roll the snow into a ball. Make it big and make it round, the biggest snowman of them all. He needs a face to see the day. 2 black coals, hooray, hooray. A carrot nose, orange and bright. Stick arms reaching for the light. He needs one thing to keep him warm. Out here in the winter storm, Mimi gives him her own scarf. It wraps around him with a laugh. Goodbye, snowman, my new friend. I'll see you when the night ends. Stay warm, Mr. Snowman.
The sun goes down, the moon comes up. I drank my milk from my favorite cup. Put on pajamas, soft and red. It's time to go to my cozy bed. Waiting for Santa, close your eyes. Dream of reindeer in the skies. He's bringing toys for girls and boys, but we must be quiet, don't make a noise.
Did you hear that?
No, just the wind. I hang my stocking by the fire so bright. Hope it gets filled up tonight. I try to sleep, I try to count sheep, but I'm too excited to fall asleep.
Yawn sound effect.
Finally sleeping deep and sound while magic happens all around. Up on the roof, click, click, click. Here comes the sleigh of Saint Nick. Down the chimney, quick as a flash, leaving presents in a dash. Down the chimney, quick as a flash, leaving presents in a dash. The sun is peeking, the sky is blue. Wake up, Mimi, it's Christmas for you. Run to the tree, what do I say? A mountain of presents waiting for me. Best day ever, yeah, yeah, yeah. Merry Christmas, hip hip hooray. Thank you, Santa.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like for more.